Generations of Computers. Chapter Overview. After going through the chapter, you will be able to understand History of Computers, Generations of Computers, History of Computers. Computer is of course a wonderful machine, but it was not born the way we see it today. It has come a long way to take the shape of today's computer. This journey is like the journey of early human beings toward the men and the surroundings we see around us today. Need of computing started with the need of counting animals. Long ago, when our ancestors used pebbles or stone, they did not know that this simple counting would one day lead to the computers that have become an integral part of our lives. The abacus. Abacus is known as the first mechanical calculating device. It was used to perform addition and subtraction easily and speedily. It was mainly used by Chinese. Many machines such as Napier's bones, Pascal's calculator, difference engine, etc. were invented by different mathematicians and scientists. But it was analytical engine that brought a revolution to computing.
If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.
Analytical engine. In 1833, a British scientist named Charles Babbage invented a machine that could keep our data safe. It was called analytical engine, and it was the first mechanical computer. It had some features which are even used in today's computer language. For this great invention of the computer, Sir Charles Babbage is known as the father of the computer. Generations of computers. The computers are classified into 5 generations on the basis of their size, the way they work, and the technology used. First generation of computers, 1942 to 1955. Based on vacuum tube. They had the following features. They were very large in size. They were very expensive. They consumed large amount of energy. They generated a lot of heat. Air conditioners were required to cool them. Their speed was very slow. Examples: UNIVAC 1, ENIAC. Second generation of computers, 1956 to 1963. Based on transistors. They had the following features. Computers became faster, cheaper and smaller. They used less energy and were not heated. They were faster and could calculate data in microseconds. Examples: IBM 1401, CDC 164. Third generation of computers, 1964 to 1971. Based on integrated circuits. They had the following features. They used integrated circuits, ICs. They were smaller in size and used less energy in comparison to second generation computers. They were faster and less expensive in comparison to second generation computers. They had better speed and could calculate data in nanoseconds. They used fans to discharge heat. For the first time, mouse and keyboard were used in these computers. Examples: IBM 370, UNIVAC 1108. Fourth generation of computers, 1972 till date. Based on microprocessors. We are using these computers. This generation of computers has the following features. They are more powerful, compact, reliable, cheaper than third generation of computers. Fourth generation computers can be linked through internet. They don't need air conditioners. Widely used by general public. Example: Apple Macintosh and IBM PC. Fifth generation of computers, future computers, based on artificial intelligence. Fifth generation of computers are in progress. They will have the following features. They will have very high storage capacity, speed, and efficiency. Computers of this generations are often called supercomputers. Computers of this generation will use artificial intelligence. They will think and take decisions like human beings too.
If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.